Hi, good morning, and welcome to very first session of AI journey. Actually, it is a combination of three courses: AI, generative AI, and agentic AI or agents. Three parts we have inside of our course. One thing you can understand. We are going to start from the zero. We are going to start these concepts from the zero only. But I am expecting only one thing from you: either morning or evening, attend for the live training. Anyhow, after each live session, you will get the daily recordings. But give the priority for the live training. It is more informative to you. So maybe one word is very commonly we have. Do we require or do we learn any coding means? The answer is little yes, little bit yes only. We have a interlinked concepts only. Sir, can I learn directly generative AI? Everyone asking generative AI and agents only. When I learn the generative AI, I can create my own LLM, or if it is agent, behalf of my work, I can create one agent like WhatsApp agent, something, any agent for behalf of your work, like assistant. Directly, I will go to the GenAI. Today, I will learn. So I will create the agents, not required. AI part, why you are covering AI, especially ML, why you are learning, why you are explaining. Maybe if you have this little bit idea and confusion, the approach is wrong. So you should not start generative AI directly. It's not first of all basic course. I'm moving very detailedly in the 120 hours of journey, very deeply. 4 months. I mean approximately 120 to 150. Why? Because excluding Saturdays and Sundays. But one thing you need to remember, no coding is required. These two parts, I agree with you. But the first part, I'm talking about first part. We have three parts in our course. AI area, you are going to understand data cleaning or pre-processing step, which is very, very important for every job domain. Or data analytics section also very, very important. When you can write 100 stars. These things not possible to get answers from ChatGPT or Gemini AI. This is a manual work only required here. Here manual work only required. Data pre-processing we can call. Everything here valuable element is data or data. You can call it anyway. This is like a gold in this section. Even customer names, everything is a data is a gold now. My intention or what I'm trying to explain to you, put more efforts on AI. Here little coding will come that is related to Python. Maximum I will try to cover in 15 hours. Maximum I will try to cover. To learn this course, how much Python is required, definitely I will cover. No doubt. To learn this course, how much Python is required, I'm going to cover. Maybe if you are not from the programming point also, just to attend this 15 session, really you will enjoy. Really you will enjoy this one. These two parts are completely zero level of coding only. Module importing and constructed small concepts only. But these area, remember, without pain there is no gain. I am not explaining to you unknown word or NASA related keywords. I'm not directly going to use. First I will explain, then I will use. Otherwise I won't use anywhere. So should put some effort to learn this Python. Just Python also Python not like a snake. It's a good snake, really. The Python it's actually not a snake name. It is a one serial TV serial name. Yeah. Now, if you come to the Python, just it is a high level programming language. High level programming language. High level programming language means it is not up on the fifth floor or sixth floor. High level, ground level, low level. High level means just maximum which is available in your English. End users can easily understand that. High level, written English only. Really, one word, Python is almost equal to your English words only. Maximum to maximum, you are going to remember 25 syntaxes in this Python. Entire Python area. Entire Python area. If you put some effort for these 15 hours, I will try to cover maximum Python related stuff. Okay, entire Python is different. Entire Python minimum required 50 plus hours. Yeah. So today or coming 10 plus days, don't think about AI and GenAI, AgenticAI. No, this is not our course. For that, partially you can consider we are learning Python. Maybe you have an idea on Python also. It is a good revision to you. And please ask me whenever you will feel like moving speed, or if you are unable to understand that one, I will provide to you mic option. And presently you have a chart option also available. Whenever you have, if you feel anything difficult, please ask me. I will try to explain in easy terms. But question should be question. That is only one thing. Question should be question. And okay, good. Everything is good. We no need to think about these three things. Presently, first I need to learn something related to Python, and I'm getting second level. If I get some data from different sources like Excel sheets, PDFs, or Notepad, data from different sources you are getting, then tell me how to before processing or performing or before learning ML, what should we do? That is a data cleaning or data pre-processing we can call. Like for example, there is a if you want to cook tomato curry, directly you cannot use tomatoes. You need to first of all with a knife you need to cut that one as a pieces. Yeah, we need to clean that one, and then we need to properly we have to cut. Then only we can try to make the curry. Same manner, data pre-processing also important. Sir, leave it about everything. I need just please tell me these 10 days first of all Python. Then second story second. Explain about Python. I am completely zero background. Yeah, we are very good. You are very good to learn this one. Why? Because if you have some basic idea, strong idea is excellent. You are already completed Python, data types, condition statements, excellent. But if you don't have Python, really you are going to enjoy this one with errors, and you will get a confusion also. What we are doing, why we are learning this one. I am working happily in my domain. Now everyone asking AI, that's why I'm coming. But this story is different. So confusion, clarity, everything will come. But enjoy this 15 days. It is very easy. After 15 days, you are going to give same answer. Really, you are going to enjoy. Sir, how to start my journey? I don't have any server and other things. Then, yeah, maybe required minimum at least 2 GB or 4 GB of RAM. One computer is required to do this activity. I will explain to you multiple ways to do the lab setup. Multiple ways. You can follow any one of them. But okay, you are going to start something related to Python. You said Python is a high level programming language. Now everyone using in automation, especially data science related, AI related one. Why everyone recommending to you Python? There is other languages also available. Groovy, other languages also available. You can see one question. Is it mandatory to learn Python to work with AI? Is there any alternative languages for AI with Python? Now, this is my question. Now, AI is searching. While learning Python is not strictly mandated for working with AI. Yes, sometimes no coding, zero coding. This is fine. But should I learn Python? No, there are other languages also available. Alternative, you can see. R languages, there C++, Java. Huh? Yeah. Now my next question, why everyone recommends Python to learn AI? This is also my second question in my mind. Our GenAI question is in Python is a universal language of AI because it offers a perfect balance of human-friendly readability and high performance computing power. The simple word or highlighted string is that your Python looks like your English only. Here your main focus not at all related to Python presently. Okay, I'm expecting a good level of subject on Python. Definitely that is a recommended one. But in this scenario, your focus should not be on Python. Maybe Python you can plan for next month also. Yeah. So, sir, I'm getting more problem on Python. No, no, no. Python 15 hours is just to learn this course. But don't take this is your main course. Don't consider Python is my main course. No. Your main course divided as three parts. Three are interlinked only. Three are interlinked only. Even if you want to create your own ChatGPT, LLM, yeah, any model come from AI only. Directly, this is not possible. Anything directly GenAI, everyone learning, not possible. Really, you can observe that one. Data cleaning, ML algorithms, that is not possible. Here only, I'm going to teach Python as well as mathematics also. Math maximum 4 to 5 hours, but looks like seventh standard mathematics. Seventh standard mathematics only available. It is required also. Yeah, fine, sir. So please start the Python learning process. Yeah, but okay, you will explain. But where to practice? That is the one question. Where to practice that Python? Okay, you are going to explain and you will go. But where to practice my required Python? Practice where I practice. So for that, I will tell you. This is my laptop, like a new machine. I'm taking like first time I'm using Python. That's why this is like a think like my new laptop. Maybe your laptop. Just go to the internet. Method one, I'm explaining how to practice daily. Open any browser. Yeah. Just to do one activity, download Python. It is a free one. Guido Van Rossum. We have to remember this guy. He made our life is very easy. Who is this guy? I am paying fee for you. You are explaining for me. Why you are introducing this guy? Guido Van Rossum. Yeah. This is invited by this guy only. He's still available. Uh, yeah. Now 70 years presently. The technical mind, one thing, and without business, I mean, generally anyone develop any product, mostly what they will do, business only. But he released this product or language completely free to the world. Even Linux also same nature. Linux distribution or Linux kernel, whatever we are calling, that is also free. Free and open source. Two words are different. Generally, while working with the AI also, you will get these two words. Free and paid versions. I mean, for utilization, for using, you need to pay like monthly, like DTH charges, similar to like that. For the software also, you need to pay. And something available, open source. Open source in the sense, these words are little similar to same meaning, but lot of different. Free means, okay, no need to pay for using. Open source means, so Python developed by some code, backend C language or anything, Python developed by some code. Huh? this code openly available to everyone. I mean, I can take this code, I can modify it without any restrictions, any copyright issues. No copyright issues. You can reuse the code. So there is no restriction. That is an open source. Open source means original code or source code to develop the Python, whatever they written. That code you can use it. And I can add some code to the existing one. Maybe I will modify. In the market, I will send this product as paid product. Yeah, I'm taking free, but I am adding now some code. Then after this product, I'm releasing in the market as a paid course or paid language. That is a marketing now performed by especially Linux section, Linux part. But one thing, Python is whatever you have, that is a free and open source. Anyhow, you are not going to take any course, but for this you no need to pay any amount. That's why it is an organization. They will not demand you pay the amount. They will ask for donation, something. The official website, they will ask for the donations only. You can observe here. I am going to open the official website of Python. Just I am using Python download. Download Python is there. First link only. First link only. There is no other thing. Just you can observe. Python released information. This is 3.6 now presently releases information. 3.6 and already 2.7 gone. 3.9 is outdated. Now you can see number of versions increasing, number of features also added here. Now presently in the market, you can see 3.14 is running. They are recommending strongest one. And you can observe at 2.2027 ending, you have a different versions. These are the pre-releases, some bugs and security. Even they won't charge anything for this if you take any patches from there. Fine, this is a simple thing. There is nothing here, just direct whenever you will open python.org. Yes, don't worry, I will share these links also. After this session, you can practice it. Yeah. Download Python installer. Otherwise, go to the download. Just keep the mouse point upon the downloads option. 1 second. Windows, yeah, Python 1.34, 14.5, 14.5 otherwise. It should be 14.5. Excellent. One file is there. Double click and should select this last option. Otherwise, we need to work with environment variables. Select this option. If you are admin, if it is your personal laptop, you can select this one also. But this option is mandatory. If it is your personal laptop, yeah, you can select this. Install now. That's a single button. Please wait. It is a method one we are following. Yeah. Click on close. Close this downloaded window. Minimize everything. So once if you complete your download part, go to the start button. There is something is available. Python related words. Even if you are unable to see, type Python or IDLE. You can type IDLE. This is a very interesting factor. You are going to work this 15 days, this one only. This 15 days, you are going to use this Python IDLE only. Okay, one more option also I will show you, but this is important. Integrated development and learning environment. The default software comes with your Python. If you click on these two are okay, but click on this Python, one window will be opened with three greater than symbols. 1, 2, 3. This is a Python prompt. If you want to increase the font size and other things, just go to the options, configure ideally, change any font, whatever you are using or which one feeling good. I just changed these three things. Okay. Now this is my Python ideally. You can type anything, it will give that answer to you. This is a method one. Yeah. I will recommend to you first 15 days this one only. Maybe second method also, sir, I'm not good. I don't have download the particular software option in my laptop. Then leave it about this option. Close it. Like go to the browser. Maybe in your browser you opened your email ID. You maybe directly you have some at least one email ID or login. At least one email ID. For example, in my scenario, I will log into my mail ID. Please wait. Maybe this activity already completed for your step. Just give me 1 second. So, I mean, you no need to do this step. Generally, if you open any browser, usually we can, or we use it to check the mail IDs, which mail IDs are available. Regularly, you are going to check every day. Maybe this step is already available in your point. Now, what I'm expecting, if it is not there, at least log into one mail ID in your browser, same browser. Take a new tab like here, type CoLab, CoLab, enter. Welcome to CoLab. That Python software installation, downloading, everything, you can skip it. Directly go to CoLab. Maximum you have a download or login with your email already. Type CoLab, just click on welcome to CoLab. And this is important. Remember this folder and other thing. Just click on a plus symbol is the new notebook. Yeah, that's all. This is your Python IDE readily available. Readily available to you. You can run anything, it will work. But it looks like it is easy comparing with start Python IDE. Yeah. Today we are going to learn some functions in the Python. So functions means not marriage functions and other functions. Function means already some logic is developed by Python for your requirement. Today, whatever is your requirement, already Python people developed that one with their software. So today my target is I want to print some message on the screen. Hi message. If you open Python ideally, or if you open Colab, shoutly if you loud, hey Python, please print good morning message means it won't work. So something I'm calling functions means readily, okay, we can create our own functions also, but I'm talking built-in functions actually. Already some logic is developed within the program. Built-in function actually it is. Functions means guarantee ending with these parenthesis brackets. One of them is a print function and Python is a case sensitive. Instead of small p, if you type capital P, it won't work. Maximum not maximum. Yeah. This scenario, everything in the small letters only, lowercase only, small letters only. In Python, most of the time, we are going to work with small letters only. Small letters only. There is nothing to confuse. Yeah. Print function is the first function we are going to use to print any message on the screen. See how to write it? Yeah. You can do one thing. Print inside, use double quotes 2 times. Type double quotes. Maybe in your keyboard, the double quotes are available. Quotes. If you directly write single quotes, see, this is the one. Double quotes. Type the double quotes. Mostly everyone knows about double quotes. It's a very simple thing. This key. So you can write anything. For example, in the double quotes after, you can write anything here. Good morning. Just close left there. There is nothing inside of the Python. Print function. And before of any line, I'm started P character here. Without any reason, you should not provide spaces. Sir, I will provide some spaces. I will write from here. No. There are some space indentation rules are available. Presently, you can write as it is print function without starting character. Print function. Maybe here you can give space, no problem. But first character before, you don't give any spaces and use double quotes only 2 times. Then come back, write any message, good morning, right? Copy this. Python ideally, where are you? I am typing good morning. You can see same message printing on the screen. Same message. You can write something to get previously typed command in the ideally up arrow never work. You should use Alt key plus P. Alt key plus P. Alt plus P. P character. Not T. M N O P. P character you have to press. And then you can write good morning. Slash and you can use it. Slash in is a one. We are typing 2 characters, but Python think like 1 character. Like it is going to break the line from that symbol. Means good morning is a one line. Break the line. Have a nice day is another line. You can see 2 lines output we can see. These are the special characters. Should be in the double quotes. Everyone. Slash. You can write anything here. You can write anything with print function. Print function. First write print function and come back double quote. How are you, man? Same thing will be printed. If I write slash n after how slash n, yes, slash n. If I write slash n, every time it creates a new line. So whenever print function trying to print, slash n is a 1 character only. You are typing 2 times, I agree. But just to consider is a 1 character only. Slash n. Slash n means a new line. New line. How space will be printed here? Then new line, ARE, space up to this character. One more break. Break in the sense new line. Instead of this, you can use slash P also. See, double quotes. Good morning. Uh, good morning. All. You can see one tab space is involving inside of slash C means back tab 4 spaces consecutively. Or what we can call side by side spaces. 3 or 4 spaces will be available. Yeah, one more thing you need to understand with print function. In generally, variables are common things for any language. If you want to create any variable concept is same in any language. See, if you want to create any variable in Python, just some variable name, equal operator, you can write some value. This is a Python prompt, don't get any kind. A is a variable name, equal operator, some value you are storing. Mean in the RAM, it is a temporary memory. In the RAM, one value will be stored with A equal to 20. This variable name is A. This variable name is A. It's a variable name and storing value 20. But there are some conditions to variable name. Actually, variable name we are calling. Official name of the variable name is identifier. We can create variable. For example, if I want to store another value from variable name, if it is a character, write in the double, like India, in double. It is a one variable. B is a variable. Stored value is in. C is a one variable. 4.5. One value and store. This is a one variable. C is a variable, and it is a value. So variable and value. But variable official name, your A or your B or your C official name is identifier. Some standard rules for the variable name. First rule is variable name should be A to small j and capital A to capital J. Variable name character should be 0 to 9. The digits 0 to 9. Maybe voice is changing now. The frequency. The digits 0 to 9 also you can use it. 0 to 9. And another one is underscore symbol also you can use it. A variable name. Here I written one character only. Actually, you can write in this way. My var equals to 40. Observe here, each character in the variable M, Y, V, A, R. In this variable name, every character from this set only. A to Z 26 characters and capital A to Z 26 characters. Digits 0 to 9 means 10 digits and one underscore. So total, I think from 52, 62, 63. Any character you can use n number of times, like A equals to 400. Okay, fine. But every character from this range, yes, valid. Means I am writing a question here. Like in Python prompt, I'm writing, like my requirement is user plus name equals to 400. I am writing. Is it valid variable name or not? That is my question. Is it valid variable name? You can give that answer.
No, it is not.
Is it valid?
No.
No.
Yeah. So the reason is no. The reason is very simple. What is the reason? Tell me. What is the reason inside of that?
Special character is.
Yeah. This is not inward. Is there any plus symbol here? Is there any plus symbol in the set of above? No.
Plus character, plus right.
Plus is not there. Okay. User space name equals to ABC. Now, is it correct?
No, space should not be there.
Space should not be there. Instead of space, whenever it is required, underscore, not minus. This is underscore. This is a minus. Underscore symbol is valid. This is a 0.1 for the variable name. I'm going to link this concept with print function. And point number 2, variable name point, you can use these 4 sets, but variable name never starts with a digit. What is the meaning of this question? A variable name never starts with first character with a digit. Digits are allowed only. For example, I am writing user 9 equals to 400. I am writing. The first character should not be digit. Should not be digit. Next, you can use it. Digits means 0 to 9. 0 to 9 we can consider as a digits. The first character should not be digit. Second character onwards you can use it. First character should not be digit. Digits allowed, but not first position. Example, yeah. X equals to 20. Just run this one. Click on arrow symbol. We are creating, first time it will take few seconds. Why? Because it is connecting. You can use Python ideally or this one, anything up to you. X equal to 20 I written. Next, in the one more box, click on code symbol. Print X. Print X, second time. No codes, nothing. I'm just writing the variable name. Exactly here, like in this way. Something. Starting, you should not provide any spaces, but a variable name after you can give space, no problem. No, sir, I will write in this way. Write it. I will write one space, but this side I won't provide it. Happy. But should not write in this way. Very first one only. I'm very clearly saying that one. Very first character of any line should not provide the spaces. That is important point. You should not provide the spaces. Yeah. Now question is, write one variable. Yeah, something. Print directly you can write it. No codes, nothing. Directly write the variable name in the function brackets. But whenever you want to print your own message, yes, how are you, Venu? Yeah, this is a way. How are you, Venu? Like in this way, whenever I will write my own test, whenever I want to write my own test, double quotes are required. But whenever I want to print the variable value, directly the variable name only I'm writing. Directly I'm writing the variable name only. Now, test user equals to 300. Error. No. Everything is good. Everything is good. Why we are getting that error? Show the syntax error.
Because of dash.
Yeah, dash. There is no allowed character. T okay, but what about hyphen? Do you have hyphen symbol in the form of list?
No special symbol allowed, sir. No special symbol allowed.
Yeah, no such special symbol allowed. That is the reason. If you change this one, something other than that, maybe instead of that, I'm writing test underscore user equals to,
Underscore will allow.
yeah, allowed. Can I print that value? As it is, I'm writing the bracket without any double quotes. Can I get the value?
Yes.
Yeah, now I can see.
Yes.
See,
Value will be.
yeah, please. Now, one more time you can see. Go to ideally. First use the ideally only. Colab just for keeping your brain for the idea for upcoming sessions.
Naga,
Open ideally. Yeah, please.
Naga, last you have printed printf under that bracket without inverted comma you have written something, right? And it came out. So it is without the syntax, right?
I
Okay.
written this way.
Yes, yes.
The reason is X is not a string. It is a variable with value, correct?
Okay, okay.
If
Got it,
already
yeah.
you created variable,
Mm-hmm.
directly write it. It will print the inside value on the screen.
Sir,
Okay.
sir, if possible, try to show the type of, sir. He'll get an idea.
Type of?
So that he'll get an idea it's an integer.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Type,
No,
sir.
wait. Type words, I will come. Type ID. Wait. It will. Yeah, you are correct. I will show you not only type, everything. Type and ID. 1 second. Type, ID, length, error. I will cover everything. No, just a few seconds required to come outside of this section. Yeah. Tell me, is it clear, guys? Can I, for example, open the Python IDE. There is a file button is there. You can see. You can one more time. IDE open. There is a 3 greater than symbols are there. Okay. In the same window, file, new file. One like a notepad, one file will be opened. First of all, save this file. Control S. Save. Provide some name. Test. That's all. Save it. Automatically, Python extension came. .py. See, I'm writing one word. You can write multiple lines in a single file. I'm writing double quotes. First, I'm using print function. Yeah, double quotes. I'm writing good morning. Second, I'm writing one variable var1 equals to 200, var2 equals to 300. I'm printing var3 equals to var1 plus var2. Print result is print var3. Yeah. Now tell me, are you feeling anything difficult in this 4 or 5 lines of code? Yeah. Those who are learning Python from, very first time, please confirm it. You can just analyze from the line number 1 to 3, 1 to 3 like that. What is the exact line number 1 will do? Just those who are learning Python first time, please confirm it. Are you feeling anything difficult?
No, Naga. I'm
No,
learning
no.
first time, but not feeling difficult. Yeah.
Just printing something on the screen, like hi message. And these two creating the two variables. Check the rule. Is it proper rule? Should be its V character is there, A is there, R is there. It's not starting with the digit. Happy. So two variables created. And what about third one? Third one. Generally, if I'm asking a question, what is the A? I'm writing x equal to 2 plus 3. What is the x value means? What is the answer? What is the x value?
5.
5. First you're calculating left side or right side?
Right.
Right side.
Equal operator take as a base or middle. First you're calculating right side. So after calculation you're getting some answer. The answer will be recorded in the RAM. Same manner, var1 and var2. Better to keep some space also if you have any confusion. Plus symbol only, just like addition symbol. So already var1 is there with 200. So whenever you will create this one in the RAM, this variable created and pointed this variable with var1. If you create one more variable like that is var2. Now it will check var1 means immediately there is a one person will short introduce PVM, but as of now just proceed. Yeah, var1 200, yes. var2 300. Addition 500. One more variable created 500. This variable name is var3 created. And print result is as it is, double quotes if you are writing as it is, it will print nothing. In the next line, var3 means the result will be printed. So write inside of your file. But before that, you can notice your Python ideally already there. From Python ideally, you open new file like in this way. You saved this file as a test some name you created. Saved somewhere, test1, test2, you provided some name. You can write the required lines. But if you want to run this line code, there is a run inside. Run menu is there. Inside, run module word is there. Otherwise, F5 also you can press. Yes, say yes. Good morning. Result is 500. Beautiful. Excellent. Day 1 only be written. I have one more question. I have a X, I have a Y, I have a Z. But this time I am writing 11, 22. What is the answer I can see on the screen? What
33.
is the answer?
Error. Where 3? You
Error.
have
Where 3 is not there. Where 3 is not there.
Excellent. Error will come. Start the execution. First, it will print as it is. Good morning. So if you see, this is output. First printed good morning. Top to bottom execution. X equals to 11 means, yeah, in the RAM, don't break and open the RAM to see the X value. Is a logical representation. One variable X created with value 11. Nothing will be printed. Nothing will. Next, one more value will be, one more variable created, Y equals to 22. Great. Next, whenever you are trying to create one more variable Z, Z inside, you are storing var1 and var2. But in the RAM, there is no var1. Maybe you are thinking, my previous program having var1. Every program is a fresh program. var1 is there. Is there any var1? No. In the memory, there is no var1. Even here only the error. So stop the execution here only. It never comes to next lines. There only it will stop. Control S, F5. See, valid error. I don't know this name. Name var1 not defined. How can you call this one? Huh? How can you call this one? Maybe you're typing wrong. No. I'm not typing wrong. But instead of that, can I write X into Y? Is it okay? Can I write X into Y? Now is it okay?
Yes.
Into means shift 8. Like there is ampersand, open bracket, close bracket, into, star, not X, star symbol. Now
But
if I
it's
run this one,
printing
am I going to get any error?
Yeah.
Yes.
Again error. Yeah, if you want to see the line numbers, in the options menu, show line number is there. This is will helpful to you. But to run this one more error. Everything okay, but I don't know where 3. So what should I type here actually?
Jet.
Z. Control S, save the file and run. Yeah, now I can able to see the output. Whenever you have a string, anything, if you want to write custom string, any custom test message, yeah, you can type in double quotes. But whenever you are printing the variable value, you can write variable name. Sir, no. Can I print 2 string and this one I want to print 1 line? Please wait, I will come to that point. Yeah. Again, come to your variable rule section. Rule 1 is should be these characters. Rule 2, never start a digit. Third one is very important. These are the case sensitive. Case sensitive means why? How much sensitive, sir? It is. If I scold that one, is it going to cry? No, not like that. The problem is if I'm creating one variable like name equals to Python in the double quotes, it is a characters. Print name, okay, print. But instead of that, if one letter is capital, one letter is small, yeah, actually small n, but I written capital N. So this leads to you an error. And it will give the suggestion, maybe this is small letter, maybe. Yeah, these are the case sensitive. You should not use uppercase, lowercase replacing. Should be small letters you are creating, small letter only you are using. If you are creating capital letters, print also capital letters only. And next one, variable names always like sweet and short. Don't take, there is no limit to create a variable name. You can write a kilometer variable name, but what is the use? Variable name, there is no limit to number of characters after 3.11. Okay, version number doesn't matter. There is no limit. Should be every character A to Z, capital A to Z, 0 to 9 and underscore. But always take the variable name a sweet and short name only. And very, very last important point is in Python, some reserved keywords are there. That is already reserved. Some words are reserved. The words you should not use as the variable name. Are you understanding my fifth point? Are you understanding my fifth point?
Can you give some example, Naga?
Yeah,
Words?
definitely. I will come. No. First of all, the word is clear.
Yes.
So some words are reserved. You should not use them as the variable name. I mean, some words are there. For example, I'm writing hello equals to 20. How you know this? Is it reserved keyword or not? Do you know that word? We
No.
don't know really.
No.
Please give me which are reserved. I will remember that one. Next time onwards, I won't use that. If you want to see the reserved keyword, there is a one function is there, help inside in double quotes, write small letter keywords. You can see 35 keywords, whatever you have in today, that 35 keywords. In the Python ideally, close this file. Yeah, it's a Python ideally help of keywords. Single quotes also okay, but strongest approach is double quotes. Single quotes also okay, but to learn the Python, everywhere use the double quotes only. See, these are the reserved keywords. You should not use the variable name. Means, example, looks like and is a proper keyword or not. It starts with a not digit, small letters only. Can I store some value? Possible or not? Generally, before explaining this role, you are thinking this is a proper variable name or not? Am I right?
Yes.
Before explaining the reserved keywords to you, 35 keywords are there. You feel that every word. So what you said, sir, any character A to Z, capital A to Z, 0 to 9 underscore. Yeah. First digit not starting with the digit. Case sensitive. Okay. Now it's very sweet and short, but error. Yes. Only one thing in the Python, ideally, I will give you a trick. If I'm writing hello equals to 400, if I'm writing and equal to 400, are you noticing anything? Why? Because every time we cannot remember all keywords. But are you finding any logic while typing these two keywords?
The color changing colors.
Absolutely. The reserved keywords are available to you in the Python ideally only, not any other tools. Sir, I'm going to use Jupyter, Colab, or Idealis. In the Python ideally, reserved keywords are foreground in the form of orange color or not? Yeah,
Yes.
that is a
Yes.
one trick you can follow. That's all. These are the standard 5 rules. Clear to everyone to create a variable?
Yes.
Now I have a question. Sir, what is a data types? Question number 1. Print function, please explain to me advanced level. And second one, you said variable. Exactly. Yeah. Is there any topic related to what type of variables I can store it? And part number 3, PVM or Python virtual machine. These 3% are 3 things that we know. We are ready to learn the Python. So these 3 things we are going to plan in the next session. Yeah. Any confusion before going to close this session? And before that, one statement, sorry. I will share to you recorded video, these written documents and notepad. Everything I will share to you in the corresponding WhatsApp group. Yeah. About the not recording for that, for today's topic point, do you have any confusion, especially print function? Second one is the variable section.
Naga, can I ask one question?
Yeah, please, sure.
Okay, Naga, when you are mentioning, can you come to that idle shell 3.14.5? If we are mentioning anything, we are keeping particularly space in between. Say, for example, I am mentioning A is equal to 20, B is equal to 20. So is it like that A space then equal to then space then 10 that I have to write, or can I simply write?
No, you can write in any style is fine. But
Okay.
starting character only, you should not provide space.
Okay, so can I write? Okay, you have covered. Yeah, A is equal to 30. Fine. Got it.
There
Yeah.
is no conditions, variable name to equal operator. There is no rule. You can leave it or you can skip it. But only
Okay.
the first one, only the problem.
Okay, got it. Yeah. Thank you.
Great. Venu, yeah, that is a color code only. In the ideally, but this ideally, yeah, color code trick will never work in another editors.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Fine, guys. I will upload this.
Naga, I have one question. So instead
sir.
of ideally, can we use VS Code?
Yeah, sure. VS Code, Jupyter, definitely, I'll valid. But initially, you can proceed. I already have a good experience. You can go with the VSC.
Okay. Thank you.
Sir, I have a question. Can you repeat that one? When we adding variable 1 to variable 2, there is syntax error, but we multiply this x to y, there is a result. So, can you repeat that one?
1 second. Previously here, where 3 is there. That's why syntax error. After multiplying, where the result is storing? For
In
example,
Z.
example here 5 is there, here 6 is there, or 6 something. Here 5 into 6 only, internally Python is doing the calculation.
Okay.
Yeah. 30. The 30 is loading into which variable?
Z.
Okay. But which variable I am calling?
Where 3. Right.
Really, do we have any var3 in this total program?
No. Yes.
That's why it's a syntax error.
Okay.
But if I write here G, it is good or not now? Working?
It is good. Yes.
Please do the create the lab first from your end. Practice print function with your own string with the double quotes and create some variables and print. And create wrong variables and find out the issues. Yeah. Write at least this type of program, like 2 or 3 lines, print some statement, print it. Tomorrow I will explain to you print function in advanced level. You can use same link to attend for the tomorrow session also.
So how to get the video, sir?
Yeah, I will upload into the group in less than 30 minutes.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Naga, like, are you going to cover any other ID like VS Code?
Jupyter Notebook and Colab. These are the regularly using one for the AI. Apart from that, ideally, Visual Studio Code. I'm ready to explain. Mainly, I'm going to use Jupyter and Colab. If you want any other tool, I'm going to ready to explain.
Sure.
Tool is just like an additional assistant for us.
So we can use online compiler.
Yeah, that is better. Colab you can use it. Yeah, that is better.
The program is.
See, to learn the Python, for example, leave it everything. You have only browser, Python online, compilers or editors. So many are there on the internet. Am I right? Available or not? Available or not?
Yes.
Print, for example, print. Good morning, flash and how are you? Run it. No need any special software. Working? Working? Working or not?
Yes. So are we going to use the cursor for the agentic AI later? Or
Yes.
it's
We are going to
okay.
use. Thank you. Yes, we will connect tomorrow. Good day.
Yes, we'll have all day, sir.
Sorry, I'm not getting your point, sir.
Saturday will be their class or
No. This Saturday, first 1 or 2 up to Python section, there is no session on Saturday. Monday to Friday only.
Okay, sir. Thank you.